Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
What is the first one? There should be this HR Partner M security group that is linked to it. This is weird. HR Partner. There it is. Yeah, this is the one. I have to use this HR Partner. Let me assign this to Logan as well. Okay, and done. So my business process is now updated to be able to do compensation right. And I have also assigned the role of HR Partner to my organization. Now you might be wondering that I did it for XYZ Motors, but I created the profile, or I created the job profile, for executive. So how will that work? Do you have this question? Okay, so now let me ask you this. Who is the HR Partner for XYZ Motors? Executive. It's our partner M. Know who we have assigned it to. Who has been assigned the role? Logan McNeil. Why? Inherited. Inherited, correct? Yes. It will be inherited. Logan McNeil. If I look at, let me sort descending. That is the easiest way to find out. If I sort descending, you will see that the HR Partner role is inherited, right? It is inherited. So we have assigned the role of HR Partner to Logan McNeil. Right now, let's quickly create our. So we have our grade. We need what? We need our salary plan, right? Basically, whatever we did in that other tenant, we need to create here as well. So we have to give an effective date. Let's give yesterday and yesterday 27th. We call it as WW salary plan. What did we do? We used FTE percentage base pay, okay. And eligibility rules. We put as WW all employees, right? That's what we selected. That's it. Exclude from merit. Okay. What else did we create? We created an allowance plan. And what did we call it? We call it, as it was, an amount-based plan, and we said it is WW car allowance, right? And what was the eligibility rule? Managers or the power? Right, so let's choose. So we have this one. All executive vice presidents, right? So let me look at the rule here. So it says management level is executive vice president, and this is XYZ. I think we have to choose the other one. What is managers, that above? Oh, this is managers in UK or supervisors in the US. Oh, sorry, managers in the US or supervisors in UK. Let's use this one, all executive vice presidents. The compensation element is car allowance. Okay. And then we will not put anything in the amount. Or if you want, you may let's say $1,200. Okay. And the frequency is, let's put it as monthly. Okay. So monthly you are going to get $1,200. In the allowance plan profile, we will say $1,200, and this is country, United States. Okay. And the other one we created as $1,500. Sorry, I think it was. What was the amount? Let's put it as 1,000 or 900. I think that's what we put. 900 GBP. Okay. And this is country, United Kingdom. Got it. Okay, I think we have to change our eligibility rule a little bit. The reason is in the job profile we have used 5 executive vice president and not 3 executive vice president. So they won't match, isn't it? And we will not be able to get it to work. 5. Executive vice president. This is what we used in our job profile. I'll get rid of the other 2. Done. Now what else? We have created salary plan. We have created allowance plan. Now, what else do we have to do? We have to put it all together in a package. Correct. Create compensation package. That's what we do. For this compensation rule. Yeah. We put in the XYZ organization condition also. We don't need to put that, right? We don't need to put that, right? We will need to put that. You know why? You know why? 2 things. I mean 2 reasons why we need to put it. As part of your training, all of you will be creating the same thing. Same compensation plan, same package, same eligibility rules, etc. How do you ensure that the rule will default for the hiring that you are doing for your organization? Right. You have to restrict that to your organization only. Isn't it? So that's why you would need to put it as part of your eligibility rule. Otherwise, you will create something. Somebody else will create the same thing. It will not work. What? They will not know which package to use, which compensation grade to use, which compensation plan to use. Okay. That's why you need to use it. And in the real life also. It is always recommended that you use the something I mean a supervisory organization hierarchy. That will help you. That will help too. I mean the package, etc. Everything to default correctly. Otherwise there will be a problem. Okay. So it is recommended that you use that. Okay. So here I am putting, oh my God. I did create the salary plan. That day is it. Okay, so I am putting in the allowance plan, and let me put in a salary plan as well. I think we created it on that day as well. So today I did not use the underscore. So let's use this one. Okay. Right, So our configurations are ready. Now what we will do is we will go to this executive department and we will quickly try to hire a worker as the EDP of sales. So here we go, and we go to hire. Hire employee, right? Hire employee, and then it will ask you, okay, what is a pre-hire? Okay, what is a pre-hire? So I have to create a pre-hire. So let's first create a pre-hire. Create pre-hire, and we call that worker as WW. Sam Williams. Okay. So I'm hiring Sam Williams. I have to give an email address at testcomwork. Okay. My pre-hire is created. What happened? Identification is required and must have a value. What is the identification? Other IDs. Identification 999999999.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.